Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you how to make a new Tinder account after being banned. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to create a new account here in Tinder, let's just say your account got banned and you got that notification, well, there are a few things that you may need to understand. Now, typically, if you get this notification here, so just to give you some idea, typically you will get this your account has been banned notification when you try logging in into your account. Now, this is really unfortunate. Now, the reason you are getting this ban here is because you've went against their terms of service and or terms of use or their community guidelines. So, meaning someone may have reported your account, and typically before getting banned your account will be under review, and once the review is done your account will be banned. But then again, if your account gets banned, typically there's no going back, because the thing with bans inside Tinder, just to give you some idea, is your account or your actual device is the one being banned. So meaning the unique ID that is inside your phone is being banned by Tinder. So how do you exactly create a new account? But before that, I would highly recommend you to first try appealing for your account, because again, this is going to be quite a hassle here. So typically what you can do is you just need to search for the following. So just type in Tinder account banned, and you want to look for the following notification or following search result here inside Google. So it doesn't have to be the exact word here or the exact link. So here you want to look for the my account is banned for help.tinder.com, and inside their article here, typically you'll have the option to appeal for any account bans or anything that happened with your account. Now typically you just need to click on the appealing a violation article here, go and just select that one. And inside the appeal or a violation section here, typically you'll be able to access the appeal center, and you will be able to basically click on the appeal center here, and basically you want to click on the begin appeal and then state your reason. So whatever happened here, explain your reasons. Say if you have like screenshots or any like proof that you didn't do a certain thing inside the platform, well, in this case, go and just submit that. Now, if you've already submitted your appeal in here, and again the ban hasn't been lifted, well, the first thing that you need to make sure that you have here is a new phone. Now, like what I said before, if you got banned inside Tinder, typically your actual device is the one being banned, not your actual account. But although your account is also banned, but also your device is also being banned. So the only way for you to create a new Tinder account is by getting a new phone. So in this case, you may need to buy a new phone, maybe a cheaper phone here. Another device usually is the cheapest option out there. But once you do get your device, you go and just install Tinder, and you want to go and sign up. Now, the thing with signing up inside Tinder, you need to guarantee that you are not using the same email address and also the same phone number. Now, if you're going to use the same phone number and email address when you're signing up inside Tinder, well, your account may get banned immediately again. So again, if you want to create a new account inside Tinder, get a new phone, get a new email address, and get a new phone number in order for you to create a new account. Now, without those two, or without you meeting those conditions, you won't be able to create your account. Or if you are able to create a new account, there's a high probability that your account would get banned again, because again, they may suspect that you are the same person. So that's why using a different phone, different email address, and a different phone number is something really important here. But that's about it. So currently, that is the only way for you to create a new account inside Tinder. So that's it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.